Now let's get started with measures of dispersion LAQs. Take the first question. This is the most important one. Find the mean deviation about mean for the following data. So xi is given, fi is given. 2, 5, 7, 8, 10, 35. And in fi, 6, 8, 10, 6, 8, 2. This is the data given. We need to find out mean deviation about mean. Now let's see how to solve this question. So we will form a table here. So first we will take xi, fi, xi, mod xi minus x bar, and fi mod xi minus x bar. So these are the columns we will be needing. So now xi and fi is already given in the question. We will copy as it is. So 2, 5, 7, 8, 10, 35. And fi is 6, 8, 10, 6, 8, 2. Always add fi column. So if we add this, we will get 40. We will name it as sigma fi. So sigma fi is 40. Now we will multiply these two columns fi xi and we will put it here. 2 into 6 is 12. 5 into 8 is 40. 7 into 10 is 70. 8 into 6 is 48. 10 into 8 is 80. 35 into 2 is 70. We will add this column also. We will name that as sigma fi xi. So if you add this column, you will get 320. Now to do the next column, we need x bar. X bar means mean. So let us find out mean over here. So mean formula is sigma fi xi by sigma fi. Sigma fi xi we got it as 320 by sigma fi is 40. 0, 0 cancel, 4 ones are 4 eights are. So you got mean as 8. Now what do we have to do here? We have to subtract each xi. We have to subtract 8 from each xi. So 2 minus 8 is minus 6. But you have modulus also. Modulus means we only take positive numbers. So 2 minus 8 is minus 6. But because you have modulus, we write plus 6. 5 minus 8 is 3. 7 minus 8 is 1. 8 minus 8 is 0. 10 minus 8 is 2. 35 minus 8 is 27. Now after doing this column, multiply fi with mod xi minus x bar. Second column and fourth column you need to multiply. So 6 into 6 is 36. 8 into 3 is 24. 10 into 1 is 10. 6 into 0 is 0. 8 into 2 is 16. 2 into 27 is 54. We need to add this now. So the answer which we get, we name it as sigma fi mod xi minus x bar. Whichever column you are adding, after getting the answer, we will name it as sigma of that column name. Sigma means summation. Now if you add this last column, you will get 140. Now we need to find out mean deviation about mean. Mean deviation about mean, I gave you a formula. What is that formula? Sigma fi mod xi minus x bar by n. N is same as sigma fi. N is sum of the frequencies. So that is 140 by 40. 0, 0 cancel. 2 2s are 2 7s are. 7 by 2 is 3.5. This is the final answer. Now take the next question. This question is very, very important. Find the mean deviation about mean using step deviation method. So first we take marks obtained. That is the first column. Then number of students. Whenever number of something is given, no, that is taken as Fi, that is frequency. So first let us enter these two columns. 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50. So whenever like this range is given, it is called as class interval. Okay, whenever minimum and maximum value is given 0 to 10, 10 to 20 and all, you call it as class interval. And whenever number of something is given, that is called as Fi, that is frequency. So 5, 8, 15, 16, 6. Always add frequency column. The answer which you get, that is called as sigma Fi. And if you add them all, you will get 50. Now, whenever class interval is given, you need to find out mid values. And mid values we denote it by xi. So what are the mid values of 0 and 10? Mid value is 5. The same way 10 and 20 mid value is 15. 20 and 30 mid value is 25. Then 35. Then 45. Now after mid values we need to find out deviation. Di is xi minus a by h. So what is h here? H is equal to 10. Because 0 to 10, 10 to 20, in each class interval, the numbers are 10. So that is class size. That is h is equal to 10. Now in this xi column, the middlemost we will take it as a. Here a stands for assumed mean. Understood? Now from each xi, we have to subtract 25 and then divide by 10. So xi is 5. 5 minus 25 is minus 20. Minus 20 divided by 10 is minus 2. The same way 15 minus 25 is minus 10. Minus 10 by 10 is minus 1. Now 25 minus 25 is 0. 0 by 10 is 0. 35 minus 25 is 10. 10 by 10 is 1. Now 45 minus 25 is 20. 20 divided by 10 is 2. Now after finding di, we will find fi di. What is fi di? Multiply second and fourth column. You will get fi di. Okay. So 5 into minus 2 is minus 10. 8 into minus 1 is minus 8. 15 into 0 is 0. 16 into 1 is 16. 6 into 2 is 12. Now we need to add this. This is sigma fi di. Now over here you have positive numbers and negative numbers both. So first you add positive numbers. 16 plus 12 is 28. Now put a minus sign and add the negative numbers. You get minus 18, that is equal to 10. So you got sigma fi di as 10. Now the next column which we need is mod xi minus x bar. Okay. mod xi minus x bar, and then we want fi mod xi minus x bar. Now for this we need to find out x bar. X bar is mean. So before doing the last two columns, we need to find out mean. So let us find out what is mean. Mean formula for step deviation method is A plus sigma fi di by sigma fi into h. A we have taken as 25. Sigma fi di we got it as 10. By sigma fi is 50 into 10. 1 0 1 0 cancel. 5 ones are 5 twos are 25 plus 2 is 27. Now we got mean value. After finding x bar, we have to subtract 25 from each xi. Xi is what? 5, 15, 25, 35, 45. That is xi. Now we have to subtract 5 minus 27. What is 5 minus 27? Minus 22. But you have modulus, so that will become plus 22. Now 15 minus 27 is 12. 25 minus 27 is 2. Then 35 minus 27 is 8. 45 minus 27 is 18. So there is a trick here. What I have done, first I found the first one. Then I reduced by 10, 10. Until I get a positive number, I will reduce. Then again I am doing 35 minus 27. I got 8. Then I increased 10. We don't have to do all the 5. Just do the first one. Reduce 10 until you get a positive number. Understood? Now after you get this, multiply F5 with this column. So 5 into 22 is 110. 12 into 8 is 96. 15 into 2 is 30. 16 into 8 is 128. 6 into 18 is 108. Now we need to add this column sigma fi mod xi minus x bar. If you add this, you get 472. Now we need to find mean deviation about mean. Formula is sigma fi mod xi minus x bar by n. Now look at the table. What is sigma fi mod xi minus x bar? That is 472. And what is n? N is same as sigma fi, that is 50. So if you divide this, you get 9.44. I will show you the division how I have done. 472 divided by 50. 50 nines are 450. 2, 2. Then take a point and take a 0. 54s are 200. Again 20. Because you have a point, we take another 0. Now one more 4s are 200. So that is how we got 9.44.